MindSpark is an adaptive tool for students, but at the same time it provides detailed insights about the students' performance. So how does MindSpark help the teachers? It gives you an overall idea about how your students are performing through a student-wise report. So let's assume that in our examination hall, the students are doing an exam for 3 hours. How would you know how much time a student has spent on each question? In an examination situation, it is not possible to identify. But in MindSpark, after the child has started working in your class, within about a fraction of a second, you will come to know how many questions a child has attempted, under what topic, and what is the accuracy. So if you're having 20 students in a class and if 5 students have not started working, MindSpark will give you instantaneous feedback and you can actually give students that information. The second one is the topic progress report, which gives you a detailed insight about the topic which your students are doing on MindSpark. Topic progress report provides you how the student is working on a particular topic, whether the child has gone to a lower level or has gone to a higher class level, or there will be certain areas where the child is stuck. When a child is stuck, the child is being taken to a remedial activity where the child will understand the fundamentals, and also after clearing the fundamentals he can come back to his or her own class level and start moving ahead. So the next report, which is the most important report, is the common wrong answer report. The common wrong answer provides you, let's say in a class, if most of the students are answering a particular question incorrectly, this is identified as a common wrong answer and this is shown to the teacher. So suppose if the correct answer is A and most of your students have answered B, which means that all the students or most of the students in your class have calculated in an incorrect manner to arrive at a particular incorrect option, which means there is a gap between the understanding of the students. Hence, MindSpark provides this and you can look at the common wrong answer report, download it, remediate the same in your class and also give that as a worksheet.